Your yard might look fine right now, but landscaping trends are changing fast. What looked beautiful just a few years ago is now expensive to maintain, outdated, and in some cases even lowering property value. In this video, you'll discover 5 landscaping trends that are dominating this year, why homeowners are switching to them, and how these ideas can transform your outdoor space without unnecessary stress or cost. Stay with me, because one of these trends could completely change how you see your yard. Trend 1. Low maintenance landscaping. One of the biggest landscaping shifts this year is less work, better results. Homeowners are moving away from high maintenance lawns and replacing them with native plants, mulch beds, decorative stone, and reduced grass areas. The reason is simple. People want beautiful yards without spending every weekend mowing, watering, or fixing damaged plants. Low maintenance landscaping saves time, reduces water usage, and still delivers a clean, modern look that boosts curb appeal. A yard should work for you, not the other way around. Trend 2. Eco-friendly and water-smart designs. Water-smart landscaping is no longer optional. It's becoming the standard. This trend focuses on drought-tolerant plants, smart irrigation systems, proper drainage, and designs that reduce water waste. Homeowners are choosing landscapes that look great year-round while using significantly less water. The emotional shift here is powerful. People want landscaping that feels responsible, sustainable, and future-proof without sacrificing beauty. Trend 3. Outdoor living spaces. Backyards are no longer just lawns. They are becoming extensions of the home. This year, outdoor living spaces are dominating landscaping design. Fire pits, seating areas, patios, outdoor kitchens, and relaxation zones. These spaces create places to gather, unwind, and enjoy time with family and friends, without needing to leave home. This trend increases property value and changes how people emotionally connect with their outdoor space. It's not just landscaping anymore, it's lifestyle design. Trend 4. Landscape lighting for beauty and security. Landscaping doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Landscape lighting is one of the fastest growing trends this year, and for good reason. Soft pathway lights, tree uplighting, and accent lighting transform outdoor spaces at night while also improving safety and security. Lighting adds depth, elegance, and atmosphere, making landscapes feel warm, welcoming, and professionally designed. A well-lit yard doesn't just look good, it feels safe and intentional. Trend 5. Clean, natural, and minimalist designs. Busy landscapes are fading out. This year's dominant look is simple, balanced, and natural. That means fewer plants, better spacing, clean edges, and calming color tones. Homeowners are choosing designs that feel peaceful instead of overwhelming. Minimalist landscaping creates a sense of order, clarity, and long-term beauty, without constant upkeep. Sometimes, less really is more. Landscaping trends aren't just about what looks good today. They're about saving money, reducing stress, increasing property value, and creating outdoor spaces that truly work for your life. These 5 landscaping trends are dominating this year because they're practical, modern, and built for the future. If you're thinking about upgrading your yard, now is the time to design smarter, not harder. Your outdoor space should bring peace, pride, and value, not problems.